Hey, Don here, 3D printer nerd. I got mail today from 3DPrima.com. Want to see more? Stay tuned. Hey, Don here, a German 3D printing nerd, and today I got a package. Oh, God. Yeah, and not saying who the sender is, so I can't read it. Okay. But anyway, when I opened it up, I said, oh, wait a minute, before I take anything out of the box, I have to record this. This package came from Sweden. And they sent me some filament to test out. Oh man, now I really have to put my glasses on to read this. What do I have here? Oh, PLA, rainbow. Uh-oh. Yeah. Let's just go through the box, and then we'll go through this rest. And what I have here, this is PETG clear. Now, that's going to be interesting to see how clear that is. And what's this? What is this? This is light. Huh? Oh, there it is. Oh, a mix box. Okay. And then PLA sample glow in the dark. And here we got some metal copper. Oh yeah, I already got my experience with the copper. And what do we have here? MK10 0.6 nozzle. That is, yes, absolutely cool. Okay, here's the list. Yeah, PETG 1.75, 1 kilo, clear. Glow in the dark, 50 grams to test. And then sample pack that has a carbon, a PC, a ABS, a schwer inflammbar. Okay, ABS, that's hard to burn. Wood and flex. And then 1 kilo from rainbow. A 100 grams copper. That's supposed to be 100 grams. Wow. Now you can see how heavy that stuff is. 100 grams. That doesn't mean that you can print a little gnome or something like that, you know, like I've normally been printing, to see how that stuff comes out. Yeah, you know, with the filaments, normally I print out my little gnome that I have here. There you go. This one was with PLA Fun. You know, that's something I like to check out. And then an MK10 hardened steel nozzle, 0.6 millimeter. Okay, I'll probably need that to print some of that stuff. And box is empty. So now let's take a look in here. See what this test package is. What it looks like. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Could be interesting. This is on. Now, where's that sticker gone? This is a mix, 1.75 millimeter. Total weight is 250 grams. No, 250 grams, that means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, yeah. 50 grams of each type here. And it doesn't say exactly the test. The test has a carbon, a PC, a ABS, a wood, and a flex. Okay, I can see right now. This is the flex. Oh yeah, this is the flex. This is definitely the wood. That means, oh, where's it again? Oh, come on. This must be the ABS. This is then that so-called PC, whatever that is supposed to be, but a really nice clear. Just wondering if it's going to stay so clear after this is printed. It's hard to see on the camera, but I mean that thing is, a filament is almost glass clear. So clear it is, but who knows? Yeah, and this one, this is a carbon. Okay. I'm gonna have to check that out to see what is really needed at a carbon to print, temperatures and so. Then we have this metal, 100 grams, and glow in the dark, green. Green? Well, I don't know about you, but that doesn't really look green. Probably means that the green is what color it gives in the nighttime when you turn the lights out. Who knows? But anyway, it's what I'm really interested in. Now, okay, let's take a look here. Yeah, come on. There we go. This is the clear PET G 1.75 millimeters. 210, 235, and 60 on the bed. Well, let's see if that's going to be true. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. This is one thing that I really love. Clear spools. That's something that I really love, because during the time that you're printing, you know, if you're printing something big, printing one thing after another, after another, after another, and then, okay, next part, I need 180 grams of filament. Do I have that on here? Do I have that on here? You know, and with a black spool, you can't even see how much do you have left on your spool. Here, you can see how much is left there. And there's even markings on the spool. 300 meters, 200 meters, 100 meters. But the last one is a little bit interesting. 300, 200, 100. Okay. But then, 1.75 millimeter diameter. Ah, here we go. This looks a little bit better. No, this doesn't look better. 113 meters, 75 meters, 35 meters, and then again, this is for 3.0 millimeter. Oh, okay. Well, that's not bad at all. All-purpose spools. On the one side, it shows you how much is on the spool for 3 millimeter, and on this side, it's for 1.75 millimeter. Oh, that's cool. I mean, the filament is really, really just like the test that I have. I'm wondering if it's going to stay that clear after it's printed. But now, last but not least is this one. This is something I got to take a look at. Absolutely well packaged. Absolutely well packaged. Oh yes. Now this is the type of rainbow filament that I say every manufacturer, when he says, "Hey, I got a rainbow filament. I got a rainbow filament," you know, that rainbow filament should look like this. This is what I call a rainbow filament. Take a look at that. This goes from one color to the next. There's a little bit of orange, then comes to red, purple, green, blue, yellow, orange, purple, green, blue, yellow. That's how it looks right now. Yeah. That's how it looks. No, wait a minute. No, that's not a blue. That's looks like a dark one, a light green. Now we'll see when we're printing with this one. And well, I'd say this is almost perfect, but it's getting close. It's getting close. It's almost perfect, but it's getting close, because I would say the rainbow filament is perfect when you get a roll like this. It says rainbow filament, and then you look at it, and let's say you have one layer, that's one color. The next layer is already another color, and then the next layer is another color. That means so that even if you're printing some small items or something like that, you know, so that it's possible to print that. I'm not saying something small like this, but let's say, yeah, let's say if you're printing something small like this, and you want to get that, you want to get this guy in a couple of colors without using mosaic or the MMU unit, you know. If you just want to have some funky colors on it, then it would be better if there wasn't so much of one color at each time. Then you'd be able to do a lot of cool stuff with it. But they're still really going to be interesting to see. I don't know. I mean, okay, I can print big. And I've already got my D9 set up with the new software complete. Yeah, buddy came over and was helping me out. He was saying, "Yeah, Don, this is so fucking crazy. Sorry, this is so crazy to do an update like that. Do you have to do an update like that with every printer?" I said, "No, but it seems like this is only the one update I have to do like that. Every other update can be done either through SD card or through the USB cable. And you don't have to open it up, put an SD card inside, and then start that, and you know, yeah. Yeah, but anyway, I got that up and running. And what's really cool, if you still have the original Wanhao D9, you know, when you say you want to level the bed, you have the manual and then you have the automatic. Yeah. Now when I turn it on, takes just as long as before. And when I say level, the only thing it's going to do is go into the automatic bed leveling. You don't have manual or automatic anymore. And this time, bed leveling, it works perfectly. But yeah, that's something that'll be explained in another video, or maybe even in a live stream, I don't know. But really cool. And what kind of a card is this? That a prospect, or what is this? Brochure? Oh, okay. Brochure with the different types of filaments, the temperatures and everything. Okay, that's good. Select ABS, PETG, ASA, HIPS. Wow. PLA, wood, flex, carbon, PVA, high temperature, metal, select PC. Okay, select PC. I gotta put my glasses on because I don't think I'm reading this correct. Select PC. 245 to 275 degrees. We use 265 degrees. Heat bed 110 to 120. Best with all metal hot end. Yeah. Ease of use, hard. Okay. You guys are sending me some crap like that to test out on the Wanhao D9. Oh man, that's going to be fun. But I got two of them. Looks like this one's the same thing. Yeah, that's the same thing. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, there'll be some more videos coming up with some test results. We'll see how this will go out, but yeah, it's really cool. But definitely looks like when I start to do that test and everything, I'm definitely gonna put this on. That's a hardened steel nozzle. There you go, so that you can read it. That's, well, if you can read it, MK10.6 millimeter. Only one of them in there. I don't need more than one. But that's absolutely cool that they sent me this. Yeah. Oh yeah. But anyway, I'd say until the next time, y'all take care. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, so you'll be notified when next video comes up. Y'all take care. Bye for now.